Hey guys,
No, he doesn't.
I just gotta show you this speaker that I'm taking apart. It was broken. I wonder what this new background is. Not telling you. Okay, that flag is awfully close. It hit me in the eyeball. Alright, that's better. See. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I'm watching right now. But anyways, yeah, I got this speaker here. I have it took apart. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I literally just broke it. Of course. Here's part of the destruction.
Do you see him yet?
What?
Do you see him?
No, I don't see him. One sec. I don't know what I'm doing. You guys are wondering why my face is so big. Sorry. You guys are wondering why the video has been temporarily interrupted. We're looking for a dog. A dog. A doge. A doge. Apparently we found Frankie. I'm not sure where he was. My face is probably too close to the camera. And the audio is going to sound bad. Oh well. It's a very beautiful area. Alright. Deal with it. Oh, there's Frankie. Cute little puppy. And now we're back to the speaker video. Is broken.
I'll get you the tools.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she's getting the tools for me. Oh yeah. That happened. It's actually fairly easy because all that happened is because this stuff is easy, and that's not even an actual tweeter. It's pathetic. It's pathetic. Why did that even be a thing? Why didn't you just not add it? Because when a person opened it up, you guys would think someone would open it up. Oh, one sec. Gotta move. Alright.
There you go.
Yay.
You want to stay out here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I will. So let's see, what do we have? Phillips head, right here. Phillips head. One sec, I'll finish this really quick. Considering I probably won't be able to do this one-handed. Well, good enough. I'm not even aiming at it. See you guys when I get these screws out, okay? Well guys, I got it open now. I don't know what to think of it. It's an 8 ohm. That's a small magnet. I'm thinking that this is just a regular speaker. Now. Yeah, it's definitely a regular speaker. What is that? Surround. Is that paper cone? That's paper cone, isn't it? I think I'm going to take that magnet off of it. Hey guys, if you're wondering what the heck I'm doing now. Well, it has my favorite dust cap. I like that. Pops itself back out. Oh, no. Finally, I got it stuck. Oh, no. I think it's getting tired. But so far, that's what I've been doing right now. Guys, if you can see this, that's burnt right there. It's like ripped itself apart, and it was like sticking to the inside of the magnet. Sticking. Of course, it's all there. It's all there. Good. It's all good. Gucci. I don't know why I'm saying that. This is AF. What does that button do? Okay, autofocus. It said AF. I thought it was like as fuck. What the fuck? But no. Wonder if I could I don't know. I just like banging stuff.
Battery will fit. Yeah.
broke. The coil was sticking inside the magnet.
What's that mean?
Well, it wasn't pulling out with the rest of the coil, you know. Usually it would do that. Yeah, it was stuck inside the magnet.
I'm going to take a shower here pretty quick.
Anyways, guys, if you're wondering, that was the broken speaker. We have another one, but I don't want to waste too much space on my phone, so. Anyways, catch you guys next video. If you want to see more, see the next speaker, how bad it is. You guys hit subscribe, hit that like button. If we get 5 likes, maybe I'll do it, okay? I'm just kidding. I'm going to make another one soon no matter what. Anyways, bye. Anyways, yeah. Here's the aftermath though really quick. Got those things we're holding it in. It got the screws that were holding it in. This is holding it in. That piece of metal, I guess. I don't even know what the heck that is. Actually, really quick, I'm gonna do something. You know what? I don't care. Heck yeah! Holy crud. Holy crap.